Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, again, I'm talking about the BTT token, Bittorrent token. What's going on in the Bittorrent token? What's the price? What's the price changes occur? Guys, in this video, we discuss these all things, guys. Is in the future the price of BTT token will pump or dump? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe, so please kindly subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, you can see here is 0.00363 USD dollar. That is the currently price of BTT token, and unfortunately the price of Bittorrent token is going negative from last 1 week, from 70s BTT price going in the loss. So guys, don't worry now. A lot of people decide to sell. A lot of people due to these negative changes, but no, never decide to sell, guys. Never decide to sell. Just hold for a long time, guys. Let me show you the price chart. You can see, guys, absolutely. You know what? And now my prediction about BTT token is going positive, and I believe, guys, that it's the last of October. There is possibilities that the price of Bitcoin token start pumping, guys. I believe that's my prediction about Bitcoin token. You can see, guys, now unfortunately at this time you can see the price dump, but here if you look, so at this time and here again, gradually BTT's token start pumping and gradually they struggle to the price pump, but very soon you found Bitcoin token is in positive changes, saying possibilities that it's the last week of October. Anyways, guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about BTT token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.